Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nintendo Switch on an iPad. To begin, you'll need a few key pieces of hardware and software. This setup allows you to mirror your Switch's display directly onto your iPad screen, transforming it into a portable monitor. We'll cover everything from the necessary cables and adapters to the specific applications you'll need to download. Get ready to enjoy your favorite Switch games on a larger, more versatile display, making your gaming experience even more flexible and enjoyable wherever you are. To connect your Nintendo Switch to an iPad, you'll primarily need a capture card. This device takes the HDMI output from your Switch dock and converts it into a signal your iPad can understand, typically via USB. You'll also need an HDMI cable, usually about 1 meter long, to link the Switch dock to the capture card. For the iPad connection, a USB-C to USB adapter or a powered USB-C hub is often essential, as most capture cards use a standard USB output. Ensure your iPad has a USB-C port. Once you have your hardware, the next step is software and connection. First, download a suitable video capture application on your iPad. Options like Janky Arcade are popular choices. Next, connect your Nintendo Switch dock to the capture card using your HDMI cable. Then, plug the capture card into your iPad's USB-C port using an adapter if necessary. Finally, open the video capture application on your iPad. You should see your Nintendo Switch's display appear, ready for you to start playing your games. When playing your Switch on an iPad, there are a few important considerations. You might experience a slight amount of input lag, typically around 50 to 100 milliseconds, which can impact games requiring precise timing. Always verify that your chosen capture card is fully compatible with your iPad's operating system to avoid connectivity issues. For extended gaming sessions, a powered USB hub can ensure both your iPad and capture card receive sufficient power. Also, consider a sturdy stand for your iPad for optimal viewing comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.